Today your topic is regression in R. So when you want to perform any type of analysis, these are just examples and very easy, and you are already familiar with these analysis. Now you are able to perform each and every analysis by writing these same things. Number one, what is regression? What is regression? Second, why do we perform regression? Perform regression. Third, types of regression. And fourth, sample data table for each type of regression. First, we need to ask these four questions from ChatGPT. You can also ask for these questions from Google. Google will also give you a response by using AI tools. Now I want to search these three questions from ChatGPT. Copy, open ChatGPT, new script, paste, and send message. It will give you answer. Question number one is, what is regression? Regression is a statistical method used to examine the relationship between the dependent variable, outcome you want to predict, and one or more independent variables. It shows you the relationship between dependent and independent variable. The predictors are factors. In correlation, only one involved dependent variables. In regression, you can correlate dependent and independent both variables. In simple word, regression helps us understand and predict how change in one or more variables affect another variable. Why do we perform regression? We perform regression analysis for several reasons. Number one, we can predict based on regression results. We can find the relationship between different variables, effect quantification. We can control its mean to adjust for other factors and isolate the effect of specific variables. Modeling, we can build a model or mathematical model for real world problems. No type of regression. So here are a few types of regressions are given, but if I write a message, I need basic to advanced all types of regression. Regression. I need basic to advanced type of regression. So absolutely here is a complete list of basic to advanced regression types grouped and explained in simple terms. I will cover the most widely used types from basic linear models to advanced modern regression used in statistics and machine learning. So today you will also be able to apply machine learning task on your dataset. So basic to advanced type of regressions. Number one, simple linear regression, polynomial linear regression, logistic regression. Definition and its example and explanation is given with each. Ridge regression, lasso regression. These are the machine learning type regressions: elastic net regression, stepwise regression, nonlinear regression, contour regression, uh, Poisson regressions, negative binomial regressions, and so many other types of regressions are given. About 25 different types of regressions are given in this uh, example, in this script. So gradient boosting regression is also an advanced type of regressions based on advanced machine learning model. Neural network regression also part of deep learning techniques. So after today class, you will also be able to perform your machine learning task in R with the help of AI. Now I am sending this information within group. You can read for your understanding when you found time, but must try to read all these types of regressions. I have sent in group. Okay. Now we need sample data table for each type of regression. Thanks. Now I need sample data table for each type of regression. For practice, send this message to ChatGPT. It will give you sample data table for each type of regression. So here is fantastic. Here is a sample data table for each major regression types, basic to advanced, designed for easy copy paste into Excel or Python as a CSV. For simplicity, each table includes only key columns for that regression type. So sample data table for each type of regression here. One is simple linear regression, linear regression, polynomial regressions, logistic regression. So I think all types of regression sample data is given, 23 types. Now I write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. I need this data in Excel sheet. It will give you this data in Excel sheet. Okay, now here is the sample data for regression. Copy, sorry, paste in desktop, save, regression sample data. Now I will send this data in group. All participants download this file and type done within Zoom chat. I have sent file in WhatsApp group. Please check your WhatsApp group. Please all participants download this file and type done within Zoom chat. I have this file now in my desktop, so I am typing here done. Please all participants download and type done within Zoom chat. Now you have 40 minutes for practice. I have sent a file. Please download this file, import all these sheets one by one, and perform all these types of regression with visualization and save results as well as plot in your working directory. So now your task is Please note your task. I have sent a file. Import this file in R. Regression data in R. One by one, each sheet, and perform one by one all analysis, one by one all analysis, and save result, save regression table results in Word document or notepad file, publication ready, table, publication ready table, and save publication ready plot with 1200 dpi, and figure size should be 8 by 6. Okay, no, it's your task. I am also sending this task within group. Please all participant follow instructions and start your work. If you have any question related to today's task or have any confusion, you can ask. If clear, type clear and start your work. And share your plots within group. Also share your saved files. Your plots and files will be saved in your screen number 3, screen number 4, or in your working directory. No, please confirm.
Sir,
Yes.
how can we be able to make the publication ready table?
Yes.
Is it possible to make?
Yes, possible. Just when write a message to ChatGPT, for example, you want to perform linear regression. Okay. Import your
Yes, sir.
first file and take str and write a message to ChatGPT. I want to perform linear regression in R and also want to save regression results as publication ready table in Word file or PDF file or any other format which you want to save, you can give. I also need publication ready plot in PNG. Also mention quality 1200 dpi, very good quality dpi, and 8 by 6 figure size. It will save your it will write a script for saving your file in Word files, saving your results in Word file, as well as your plot in PNG in your working directory. Okay, try and run. If you found any difficulty, you can ask. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Sir,
okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have you any question?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now please start your work and share your results within group.
Hello, could you please send this as well?
I am sending in group.
Thank you.